In this video, we are going to talk about what is a smart contract, ERC 721 versus ERC 1121. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. The arrival of new applications on Ethereum has led to development teams designing new kinds of token standards. In its early years, the ERC 20 token standard, which defines how a traditional token such as DAI or UNI functions, dominated the market. This approach to crypto treats all assets as completely interchangeable, known as fungibility, functioning conceptually like a currency such as USD. However, in the past 18 months NFTs have captured the market's attention, which rely on a newer standard termed ERC 721. This standard allows for the creation of one-off, custom tokens, for instance, a collectible trading card, or personal avatar that is totally unique and can't be replicated. Lately, attention in the crypto market has been moving towards another standard, which has a newly revised set of properties, the ERC 1155 token standard. This debate of ERC 721 versus ERC 1155 can perplex teams, and it's worth knowing when to employ each. Though ERC 1155 is a newer standard and has some technical benefits that may give it an edge in the future, it's not a strict upgrade and differs in certain ways. Here's the description of what is a smart contract, ERC 721 versus ERC 1121. Let's start. ERC 721 versus ERC 1155. The ERC 1155 token standard could see much more prominent use than the ERC 721 token standard in the near future, thanks to its additional features. Both allow you to be able to mint new NFTs, but there are some key differences. ERC 1155 permits the creation of both semi-fungible tokens and non-fungible tokens, whereas ERC 721 permits only the latter. In ERC 1155, smart contracts are linked to multiple URIs and do not store additional metadata, such as file names. In comparison, ERC 721 only supports static metadata stored directly on the smart contract for each token ID, increasing deployment costs and limiting flexibility. ERC 1155's smart contracts support an infinite number of tokens, whereas ERC 721 needs a new smart contract for each type of token. ERC 1155 also allows batch transfers of tokens, which can reduce transaction costs and times. With ERC 721, if you want to send multiple tokens, they happen individually. What is the ERC 1155 token standard? The ERC 1155 token standard was developed by the team behind the Engine project, which focuses on blockchain-based solutions for games. Engine introduced the token standard in 2019, and it is a middle ground between the ERC 20 standard and the ERC 721 standard. Engine identified a number of challenges associated with the comparatively limited ERC 721 standard, in particular, the inability to conduct batch transfers. Unlike ERC 721, if one were to transfer multiple NFTs, each NFT would require a single transaction, because each NFT is represented by a single smart contract. This results in exorbitantly high transaction costs when minting or trading individual NFTs. The ERC 1155 allows batch transfers, multiple assets on a single smart contract, that result in all tokens being transferred at once leading to a less congested network and consequently lower gas costs. For example, when a user wants to sell 1,000 items in a game to another user, he or she can use the batch token transfer of ERC 1155 to send them all in one go. Another major feature of this multi-token standard is it supports both fungible and non-fungible tokens, because of its ability to support multiple states, on the same address and contract. In practical terms, this means you can make in-game payments using a fungible token on that address and simultaneously transfer unique NFT assets as well.
What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.